Alright, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up? Welcome back to the Bearded Pickers channel. I'll be your host, Beard. Alright, so what am I up to today? You're never going to believe it. Okay, so you're probably going to believe it. I made a list using Brickseek. The $29 plan allows you to look at each individual store's markdowns. And so I went through the individual store's markdowns on my side of town and made a list of like 8 or 9 things that I was going to go see if they had. I'm probably going to go to 3 stores. The last one is the one that I'm going to go to on purpose last. I've got a list from Costco, Johnny wants. And it's closest to Costco, but it's also the worst one for having inventory. And that one is not employees. That one is just straight up. It's one of the higher theft stores around. So, more electronics. Let's see what we can find. We'll see you at Walmart. Thanks for coming along. All right, 8 minutes later, we made it to Walmart. Are y'all excited? This one is the Walmart in Hazel Green, Alabama. Let's run inside here and see exactly what they got. Remember last time we had an epic fail. We drove all the way and got it. But look at here. It's supposed to have 4 of these for 15 bucks each. They're originally 59. They're 15. Look how many we got. 4. Supposed to have 2 of these, 9 bucks each. Look how many we got. So I didn't see these. These are half price. I'll check the price on these. But I just want to show you one other thing and why you have to watch freaking Amazon. These are marked down almost half price, $15. Lowest one is 23. You net 13. So at 15 you lose $1 on a DVD player that you should be able to make a little bit of money on. You have to be careful with buying stuff. They do have a TV for 49 bucks. We'll check that out. If it's any good, I'll let you know. All right, so this is what the day looks like here in 95 degrees in Alabama at not even 1 o'clock yet. Beats the cold. I ain't complaining. It's just hot. So I can turn the air conditioner on. I'll wear a Speedo if I got to. Love it. So first Walmart was supposed to have the 4 walkie-talkies, 2 more, and then it was supposed to have 2 Garmin bands. They didn't have the Garmin, but they had the walkie-talkies. So, and then I picked up a Magic Jack. Always scan the Magic Jacks. In the blue boxes. I think they had it marked down to 17. It sells for 33. But the one thing you need to know about Amazon FBA and their fees is under £1. Shipping is way reasonable. The shipping gets crazy once you go over £1. Oh, watch. Oh, hell. Y'all like this move? We're gonna pass the whole line. What do you think? Zoom. Can we get Grandma in the Mercury? Hell yeah, we get Grandma in the Mercury. Grandpa thought he had me, didn't he? There you go. You're right. Now you get the real thrill of riding in the racing van, because Grandpa was hauling ass, and now all of a sudden he slowed down. All right, I got you, boy. So this one is supposed to have some tablets, some Epic tablets. They're 30 bucks. They're 4,000 Rankin toys, and they're selling for 77. Supposed to have 4 or 5 of them. So this is Winchester Walmart, aka Harlan's Walmart. We're gonna sneak up here and see if we can find something in his little area. So I'll see you in Walmart in just a minute. I'm glad y'all got the ride with me passing, and that was not illegal. That was a lane. All right, no complaints. I was coming over that hill, and I looked over at the restaurant on the other side of Horizon, and I saw the big ass red truck. You're never gonna believe who was in the big ass red truck. All right, so now I got a company at Walmart. Let's see what they got. All right, I'll put some Amazon stuff of all this stuff, but everything they said they had at this store, score, plus a couple of others. So Harlan was a good luck charm today. You were a good leprechaun today?
Yes, sir.
So I've got one other store I marked, and so I'm like, oh, what the hell? I'm going there now because I scored so big at this one. I'm going to the theft store. So, hey, y'all get an extended touring of Walmart. I'm in Walmart number 3. This one should have both tablets, the pink ones, the blue ones, and the green ones. Let's see what we can find. Maybe some other stuff like the last store had. That would be awesome. Here to pick. Well, so the last store came up just like I thought it would. The high theft store never has squat that their inventory says they're supposed to have. I don't understand how they keep the doors open. It's insane. They have full-time guards there. That's just another challenge, I suppose. But anyway, the other 2 stores in town that say they have a number of these tablets that I'm looking for are the other 2 high stores that never have what they say they do. So let's go to Tennessee. There's a store that's 20 minutes north of me in Fayetteville, Tennessee. It's supposed to have 9 tablets or 8 tablets, and when they say they have 8, it'll be 8. So let's go. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. We're still winning today, though. So this is why the old man drives a minivan. It's not because has no style. It's because 4 Walmarts wouldn't even put a $1,200, $1,100, wouldn't even put a dent in the van. Toyota rocks. A mere 24 hours later. Alright, so I'm back up now, and I had some difficulties filming in those stores because of loud music, so I didn't want to do an overwrite. Just wanted to touch base with you and show you 45 bucks. They sell for 76, you clear 52 or 51. And you're saying, BP, what the hell? Did you really spend $45 and make 6 or 7 bucks? No, those guys were marked down another half. They were $22.99. I believe whatever the price is, that was $35. I got them for $17. Look at the phones here. That actually was $17. I think it sells for $65. Or maybe that was $9. I'll check. Whatever matter of fact, I know it was $9. I'm sorry. I got 2 of them. This guy here, 13. Oh no, wait a minute. How about 7? This one was different, but had the same price sticker on it, even though it was different, so they honored a 7 on that one as well. There's the second one of those. There's a lot of good deals on these guys. 25. That one was, I think, 17. So I got a lot of the brothers. Now, these things have been sitting at the store in Tennessee for quite a while. They were $9 each. Everything was at least half on the cartridge. Alright, we interrupt this regular broadcast of the Bearded Picker International Network. As I was preparing to ship these items, Brother got re-restricted, so I had to reapply. So if you have previously been ungated in Brother, you need to check it again, and you're going to have to apply again to get ungated. I just thought I'd let you know because it happened right now while I was editing this video. I got some HP toner in there too. The HP toner I am blocked, so they're going to be sold on eBay. So it just goes to show, people say, BP, I get this question all the time. How do you find so much at Walmart? How do you find so much stuff to sell? Persistence. You've got to be able to shake off a bad store. The Sparkman store, they'd have squat. So, I decided, what the hell, one of my better stores in Tennessee, let's go check it out. And all the stuff that I saw there last time that I couldn't buy, even though I went live, and me and John filled up a basket. This time I was able to buy the toners and stuff because they didn't change the prices, they were marked down. So be persistent and don't take no for an answer. Just keep going. Go to more stores than one, and you can find it too. Alright, peace out. Peace out. Wait a minute. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Appreciate you. Roll Tide. I was going to forget, right? Not the Tide, baby. Roll Tide.
You will always be remembered. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.